Hello,
Hi, hello.
how are
How
you?
are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Thanks for asking me. And what about you?
Okay, I'm very good, thank you.
I'm glad to.
What's your name?
Yeah, by the way, I'm glad to meet you. Yeah, my name is Satya, and I'm from North India.
So you say it Shatya?
Yeah, my name is Satya. You can call me Satya. Satya,
Shatya.
and and I'm
Okay.
from and I'm from North India.
Okay, great. Nice to meet you, Shatya.
Yeah, likewise. I'm glad to meet you also. So where are you
Yes,
from?
yes, I'm Jackie and I'm from USA.
Okay, you're from USA, and your name is Jacque. Okay,
Yes.
there is a actors in Sri Lanka, Jacqueline. Have you ever heard
Oh,
this lady name? Jacqueline.
is
Okay,
is it
okay.
a man or a woman?
No, no, that's a man. That's a lady.
Yeah.
See,
It's a
yeah,
lady.
she's a lady. See, she's
Oh.
lady. She's really beautiful.
Oh,
Okay,
can you type her name so I can see her?
Jacqueline.
Yes, Jacque from Sri Lanka.
Yeah, Jacqueline from Sri Lanka.
Ah, I'm going to visit Sri Lanka in February.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Hear that.
Yes. So Shatya, how old are you?
Well, years old.
Okay, 19.
Yeah.
Do you study in university or do you work?
No, no. Actually, I don't here study. I don't here study. I work. I work in a catering line. I work in a
In a
catering line.
what?
In a catering line. In a catering line.
Oh,
Pers-
can you explain what that is?
The person who prepare food on any event, on any gathering party, such as wedding anniversary, such as birthday, such as marriage
Yeah.
anniversary. So I work in that field.
Okay, cool. Very nice. Shatya, what do you like to do for fun?
Okay. For fun, I'll ask some riddle.
Okay.
Will tell me what is different between you and me.
What is different between you and me?
Yes, I'm asking
You
now.
mean for things that we like to do for fun?
Yeah, I'm asking to you. Please let me know what is different between you and me.
The difference you ask.
Yeah, you and me. I'm not asking what is different between you and me.
I'm not sure I understand the question.
Okay, just just take a step. It. What is different between you and me? I'm asking what different you and me.
Mm-hmm. You mean the words you and me or the people?
Oh, now you got it. My point. I was asking about words. What is different between you and me? I'm talking about words.
The words. Oh, okay, yes. Between you and me, well, you is you. You are you. And
Okay.
then me. Then
No, no.
me is myself. Right?
But yeah, you're absolutely right. But unfortunately, that's not the correct answer. There is a difference between you and me. You has three letters. I mean to say you has three letters and me has two letters.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, yeah. I get it. I sorry. I thought you were asking like, what's the difference between like Shatya and Jackie? I was like,
No,
I
no.
don't know. Any differences?
Okay, I have another question.
Uh-huh.
I have one other question. There is only one word in dictionary. There is only
Hmm.
one word in dictionary that is spelled wrong. What is that?
Wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. More. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
You have more of these?
I said there is a one word in dictionary which is
Yeah.
spelled wrong. What is that?
It's the word wrong, right?
Yes, wrong.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wrong, wrong.
Do you have more of these questions?
Oh
I
my
want to
god.
answer another one.
You are very talented.
I want to answer one more.
Oh my God. Okay, what goes up, but never goes down?
Oh, what goes up but never goes down? Uh, what goes up?
But never goes down.
The word what?
No.
Is it
What
what
goes up,
goes up?
but never go down.
Oh, I don't know. What is it?
How old are you?
I give up.
How old are? Okay, how old are you?
I'm 25.
25. I'm talking about age. Age never goes
Oh,
down. It just goes up.
I like that one. That's awesome. Good one.
Okay,
I've never heard that one before.
okay. I have one another riddles. What can be broken? What can be broken even if you don't touch it? What is that?
Silence.
Silence? No.
Silence? No? Oh. Uh, what? Oh, promise.
Oh my God, you are very talented. No,
Thank
you bought that.
you. Yeah,
You
well,
bought.
it works for both. Cause I think I've heard that one before. Cause like they say, oh, break the silence, like when you're quiet, and then break the promise.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
promise is the only one thing which can be broken even we don't touch it.
Yeah,
Promise can be
yeah. I
broken
like that.
without touch.
Yeah.
So
So Satya,
I think you like to riddles, am I right?
I do. I like to think about
Oh.
things. Where did you learn these riddles?
Like, there are some person who ask me sometimes like this question.
Uh huh. Like your
Yeah,
people on Cambly ask you?
no, not a cambly. Actually, I have a friend to speak out English. Just
Uh
they
huh.
fun, they fun. They make
Yeah.
conversation. Yeah, they pep up the conversation with riddles.
Yeah. I like riddles. Uh, are there many riddles like in your native language that you use?
There are, yeah, some riddles. Actually, there are some riddles in native language also. In my
Uh
native
huh.
language,
Yes.
I was okay. I have one riddles, and maybe you might heard about this riddle.
Okay.
Okay, I'm tall. I'm tall when I am young. I'm short when I am old. What is that? What is that? I am tall when I am. I'm short when I am old.
Well, like what is the missing word?
What is that?
Yeah. Like
Yeah, when
yeah.
I am young,
Okay.
I am short.
Okay. So when I'm young, I'm tall, right?
Yes, I'm tall. And
And
when
then when I'm old, I'm short.
I'm short, yes. Like this, I'm
And
short.
yeah, and you said what is it called?
Yeah, what is that?
Mm,
What is that things?
is a shrinking?
No.
No,
Yeah,
no.
that I think that
When I'm
things
young,
might,
I'm
yeah,
tall.
that things might be used at your home.
Yeah,
Yeah,
something might be used at my home.
yeah.
Oh. Hmm. Wait. Oh no. uh, the like temperature. Temperature? No.
No, that's not the answer. Take another chance.
Something you use in the house?
Yeah, that things is used at your home. Not at your home, at everyone's homes.
Do I use
Maybe
it
in,
every day in the
yeah,
kitchen?
in not in the kitchen. That things it used at every house mostly.
I don't know. Wait. I want to guess. Oh, I want to think. Oh, I don't know. What is it?
Okay. Do you know candle?
Oh. Yes, a candle. Okay,
Candle.
now my turn. My turn. Can I tell you one?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, maybe you already know it, but just in case. Um, okay, wait, let me think of this one. Okay. Okay, this is one that I learned as a kid. It's I have branches, but no fruit, a trunk, or leaves. What am I?
Okay. A bank.
What? What? How do you know this one?
I'm right. Because bank has many branches in different states.
Oh, I can't believe you. Okay, now I need to figure out another one. Okay. Okay, I got one. The more of this there is, the less you see. What is it?
The more? Can you repeat?
The more of it you see, or yes, the more of it there is, the less you see. The more there is, the less.
What is that? What is that? Feeling?
No. So the more there is, the less you see.
Oh, I don't know. It drives me
The more
crazy.
there is, like close your eyes. The more there is, the less you see.
Oh my god. What is that?
Darkness.
Oh, darkness. Yeah.
Yes, I got you.
But there is a lot of benefit to close eyes. We can create something. We can create something new picture in our minds.
Yeah. I meditate every day, and I close my eyes, and it's beautiful. It's
Yeah.
beautiful.
So you
Okay,
like exercise?
Yeah, I like exercise and meditation. I do it every day.
Yeah. So do I.
Oh, great. What kind of
Yeah.
exercise do you do?
I actually there is a tadasan in Hindi language, in my mother language, and meditation. I do meditation like this. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you consider yourself to be a very spiritual person?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. And do you practice a religion?
Yeah. Actually, I practice my religion because you know what? In India, country has a many kinds of religion peoples like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, and you know there are so many languages is used in my country. All Indian person can able to understand more than 3 languages.
Wow, you can understand 3 languages in your country?
Yeah, I can understand. I am able to understand more than 3 languages. I'm not talking about just myself. All more than 3 languages.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, and you know, I can speak 3 languages very well. First is Bhojpuri, and second is Hindi, and third one is English.
Yeah.
But apart from 3 languages, I can able to understand more than 3 languages. Yeah.
That's great. That's awesome. And where I forgot to ask, where in India are you from?
I'm from Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh states. I'm from Uttar Pradesh. Have you ever heard Delhi?
Is this in the north?
Yeah, it is in my country, Delhi. I'm talking about Delhi.
Ah, so you are in the north of India?
Yeah, I'm from north of India. Maybe you might have about also. You might have about also Nepal.
Yes.
Yeah,
Is this
my
the
country.
same? Is this the same province as Rishikesh?
Yeah, it is too close. Country.
Oh, okay. Yes,
Yeah.
because I was gonna go to India last year, but my flight was canceled because of COVID, and I was gonna go to Rishikesh to study yoga.
Oh my God, that's too bad. Your flight had been cancelled due to COVID-19. That's not good.
Yeah, so sad. I know. I want to go so bad.
Okay.
I hope to go soon. Yes.
Okay,
So
just
Satya, it was really nice talking to you. You're very entertaining.
okay,
Yes.
I
Yes.
enjoy myself while talking to you.